are going to install boulevard banners onto the versatile bracket system. So first thing you want to do is identify the side of your boulevard banner. So the side of your boulevard banner will have the grommets. This side you want to slide closest to the pole. So first thing I'm going to do is slide my boulevard banner onto my bracket system. So I'm just going to insert the top pole pocket. I'm going to repeat for my other banner. Now that I have both my boulevard banners on, next thing I'm going to do is use the zip ties and secure them into place. So you're going to take the zip tie and insert it through the grommet and then through the D-ring and secure into place. I'm just going to repeat for all my grommets. And it's just that easy to install your boulevard banners into the versatile bracket system.